What's going on? How y'all doing today? So I decided to make a orange glaze or orange herb roasted chicken. It is Christmas Day, and we decided we want to do turkey, and my mom doesn't eat ham. I have a ham in the oven already, so I want to show you guys how I do my recipe. So what we're going to do is you're going to take a stick of butter, room temperature, put that in the bowl. It's nice and soft and ready to go. And then I've already taken the time to mix up, I've already taken the time to cut up some rosemary and thyme. And this is fresh herbs, by the way. So let me just get that soft. Oops, okay. And mixed in there. Of course, I'm going to let the damn thing lay in the damn butter. Alright, and you just mix that on in. And I love fresh herbs, y'all. Sometimes I buy fresh, sometimes I don't. So, but if I can, I will, you know. For the most part. Sometimes I'll be like, I don't feel like chopping up everything, so we're going to get some store-bought stuff. So, we're going to throw in a little bit of ginger. Some garlic salt. This is the one that I had told y'all about before from the dollar store. Sprinkle that in there. Kind of eyeball it. Use your own judgment. It's all about your taste level. Some adobo. A little bit of pepper. And then I'm going to zest the peel of an orange. It smells so damn good. I like orange. It smells so good, especially when it's nice and fresh. I don't know where I got this zesting thing from, but you can find it anywhere. We got Ross down here in Florida, so I think they have it at Ross. If you don't have one, if you don't, also you can use a cheese grater. This is specifically a zester, but you can use a cheese grater if you don't have that. Or you might be able to find it, I don't know, Macy's, something along the lines. But it's straight. And it smells, oh my God, this orange smells so good. Alright. My camera dude's smelling it. It smells good, don't it, son? Mm-hmm. Mix that in there. Oh, that smells good. I think I want some more. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to eat this damn orange when I'm done. I was sick a few days ago. I'm feeling a lot better. And yeah, so my mom, she don't eat ham or whatever. We don't eat pork that much either. Every now and then, pork chops or whatever. I'm not gonna say we don't eat it at all, but we don't eat it like all the time anymore. We try to minimize our pork or whatever. Some people don't eat it at all. So I was thinking, you know, if you don't want to do a ham for Christmas, you could do a nice baked roasted chicken. And then the zest of a little lemon. We got a local food, like not food. I'm sorry, y'all. My train of thought is off today. A local farmer's market around here, and I go there and get my fresh lemons and whatnot, and it's way cheaper. So just a little bit of that, because I really want the orange to take more of the power of the dish than the lemon. Alright, got that in there. So let's mix that up. Alright, give me 1 second, guys. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my pan and just drizzle a little bit of olive oil on the bottom of it. It's already covered in aluminum foil. And a small drizzle in my mixture. Mix that up evenly. Oh, it smells so good. Alright. So I'm going to take this homeboy, turn him on the other side. And what we're gonna do is, so you go under the skin to get the mixture in there. You just take a dollop, get that in there, and just kind of rub it down all over him. And to keep your hands from getting too messy, you can use a spoon. Just get that all over his behind. Just kind of rub it on down. Let's take a little bit more. Try not to use too much because you're going to need it for the front, or the other side, I should say. Let's get him all up in there. And then his other arm, or wing. I'm talking about arm. Alright. And just smooth that on out. I can't get his legs like I want to, but that's okay, because we're going to take this and put it, just throw it on his legs. Make sure his wings ain't ashy on his elbows. Get him real good. All along the back. And oh, let me just mention to you guys, I know I apologize for not saying this before. Everything that you see on my channel, I make, I buy, I haul, I talk about. I'm buying with my own money. It ain't, you know, it'd be nice if somebody gave me something. I would love that. I ain't gonna turn nothing down, but ain't nobody giving me nothing. I'm doing this with my own money, okay? So let's just be clear about that. And then I'm gonna take my Tony seasoning, Creole seasoning, and sprinkle that all up along here on him. Make sure he's evenly seasoned. Right, and then flip his behind over. Right. All right, give me 1 minute. All right, guys, welcome back. So I'm gonna take a little bit of my butter mixture and get it all inside. Make sure that's evenly. It's all up in there. Get all up in your chicken business, y'all. All up in it. All right, and then let's get up all under his skin. And like I told y'all, just kind of smooth it in there, all up under there. And the good thing about this, it's going to be seasoned through and through. So when you cut it, you know, you're going to cut into our little mixture here. Okay. You just, you know, get it all up in there as much as you can. And then you leave a little bit for the outer layer or the outer part of him. Oh, he going to be banging. I can't wait to dig into him. Right, camera dude?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's get all up in there. Alright. Okay. And then just smear that all up on him. Oh my, it smells so good. Like the zest of the orange and the lemon, OMG, okay? It smells so damn good. I love me some chicken, y'all. You can't go wrong with chicken. I don't care what nobody say. All right, we almost there. And the good thing is it's Christmas Day. So my kids occupied, honey. They playing with their stuff, their game systems, and whatever God blessed us with. So they busy. I got my camera dude helping me out. All right, we're almost almost there, guys. Almost there. Let's make sure I get him down here. I'm trying to make sure I get him real good. And then you could save some of this mixture as it's cooking. And like, you know what I'm saying? Like put a little more, you know? It's your world. But this is how I said that I would do it. That way it'll be all over evenly. Look at that. It's looking good too. A little bit left so that if I want to add a little later I can. So we're gonna put that seasoning I told y'all about all over the top. All over. And then let this roast. I want to say at 375 degrees for about an hour. And let me hit it with a little bit of adobo too. Just a little bit. All right. Okay. So it's gonna roast at 375 degrees, guys. And I say leave it in there for about an hour. And you should have some beautiful roasted chicken when you're done. Just give me 1 second. Just get a little bit more right there. It's looking a little ashy. All right. And I got my hand in there. Okay. And we'll be right back. Correction, guys. It was 375 for about an hour and 20 minutes. We're back. Let's get this party started. Oh, son, get in the oven and show them how that thing looking. What you say? Oh goodness, yes, Jesus. So that thing was in there for about an hour, exactly. And look at him, he just doing his own goddamn thing. You know what I'm saying? Yes, like, yes. Yeah, excuse the thing here. I had to taste him, make sure he was alright. I'm gonna cut a little piece from the top so y'all can see, you know, that we about that life. Get over here, Bray. Look at that thing. Juicy as hell. Like, just disrespectful juicy. You know what I'm saying? Good Lord. Where my taste girl at? Okay, it is my turn. Come here, baby. I'll let both of y'all do it. They're so damn cute. They looking like, mommy. Like, really? Like, why we can't both do it? Yeah, but boys, y'all can both do it. These are my taste girls. Get that in the juice. All right, baby girl. Let me get this out.
Hi.
Come over, come closer to him, y'all. Or come closer, Bray. Come over here. Come closer.
Hi.
Like, get where you was at. Okay, one moment. Alright, blow it. You gotta blow it real good.
Good.
Okay.
It's so juicy.
Right? Word. Tell them again.
It's juicy and good.
Wait, blow some more, child. Just came out the oven. Damn, you just...
That's a turkey?
No, baby, chicken. Go ahead and let them tell them. Tell them what this life be about. That was just rude.
I know how to cook. It's really good.
Thank you, thank you. Get back on that chicken, baby. Get all over it. Get all up in it. Get the back. Show them the back. Let them see what kind of life we about over here, okay? So there you have it, guys. We have... He just gonna give y'all a bunch of glances of that chicken there while I talk. So yeah, so we basically got the, I'm gonna go ahead and call this the orange zest herb roasted chicken. That's what we gonna call it, okay? Now I want y'all to go ahead and make this, and y'all let me know how y'all like it. Please, as I always say, it's very important. You know, I have a lot of people that I support, and a lot of people that support me, and I really appreciate it. A lot of the people that's on YouTube, they already up there in subscribers, so they like, hey, they post a video, it already got 1 million views in 2 seconds. I'm trying to get where they at. So yeah, at the end of the day, if I subscribe to you, I really appreciate you subscribe to me as well, please, okay? That's the whole point. And trying to get these videos out there to reach as many people as possible. So please like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe. If y'all do make this, go ahead and let me know. On Facebook, I have a like page called Miss Free to You. My Instagram is Miss Free to You, aka Big Booty Free, and my IG page is Vlog with Free, VLOG with Free. Okay, so y'all hit me up, tell me how y'all like that thing there, and I'll holler at y'all later. Merry Christmas. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit my Instagram, Vlog with Free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Thanks for joining Miss Free to You. Bye.